Let me show you how to replace the blower motor and the blower wheel on this GE Ptac unit. Let's get the touchpad out of the way by removing 3 screws. Let's go ahead and disconnect it. Next, I'll be removing the front grille with some needle nose pliers. After that, it's going to be this cover by removing all the screws around. Then I'll be removing the coil cover. Now let's move to the electrical compartment, where first I'll be removing the power cord and the ground wire. To access the electrical compartment, I'll be removing 2 screws. Let's go ahead and open that up and then identify the connection, which is going to be this one right here, and disconnect. Now let's remove this cover. Now let's remove the bracket that's holding the blower motor. Let's spin that blower wheel a bit till we find the screw that's securing it to the motor shaft. Now for this one, I'll be using a 532 Allen wrench, or you could also use a T25 Torx bit. Once the blower wheel is loose, we can remove the motor. Now let's move to the other side of the unit. First, I'll be removing the bracket screws that are holding the coil in place. After that, it's going to be the screws that are holding the heater coil. We're also going to have to loosen up the wing nut. And last is going to be the 2 screws that are holding the entire cover in place. And the blower wheel comes right out. So to put everything back, we're just simply going to reverse the steps. So the heater coil kept on moving every time I try to put in the screws. So I had to grab it, align it with the holes, and got it secured. Put the motor back on. And secure it. Don't forget to insert the blower wheel back into the blower bearing. Install the blower bracket. Put the cover back on and connect the blower motor. Covers back on, and the grill. Connect the power cord and the touchpad. So let's go ahead and test it. And there it is.